ओके जी। ओके जी, coming back with the question number 1, part number 2 is the same. Okay, let me move towards the part number 3. And in the part number 3, what I am supposed to have, I need to prove that a over b, that is equal to the square root of a square plus c square divided by b square plus d square. Okay, I need to prove that this is, they both sides are equal. Okay, so let हमने कर लिया by using the k method. A ratio b is equal to c ratio d. All right, then a over b is equal to c over d is let कर लिया मैंने कि a k के equal है. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास क्या आएगा, then what will happen, a is equal to b k and c is equal to dk. Right, now I am going to use the left hand side, and the left hand side we have is a over b, where we have a over b, a की जगह वैल्यू यूज करें b k over b, b will be cancel out. I am left as answer k. Say it the equation number 1. Okay, now furthermore coming up with the right hand side. In the right hand side, what I need to have, that is the square root of its a square plus c square divided by b square plus d square. Okay, now use the values. So we have the square root of a की जगह आपने क्या यूज करना है, it's b k whole square plus c की जगह आप क्या यूज करेंगे, d k whole square divided by its b square plus d square. Okay, now simplify it. In the simplification, what I need to have, I need to have b square k square plus d square k square divided by its b square plus d square. Take k square common from the numerator, so I am left as its b square plus d square divided by b square plus d square. Here they both will be cancelled out. I am left as only square root of k square. Square and roots are cancelled. I am left as only k. So left hand side was equal to k, right hand side is also equal to k. So from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I hope that it's clear to you. Coming up here with the part number, okay, coming up here with the part number 3 मैंने करा दिया है. Okay, let me move towards the part number 4. And in the part number 4, what I need to calculate, okay, in the part number 4 I need to have, that is a raised to the power 6. ये question जो है that is already given in the form of a ratio. ठीक है, आपके पास क्या दिया गया है, it's a over b is equal to c over d is equal to k. ठीक है, अब आपने जो रिजल्ट प्रूव करना है, ठीक है, वो मैं यहाँ पर लिख रही हूँ. सही, तो मेरे पास है पार्ट नंबर 4, that is it's a power 6 plus c power 6 ratio b power 6 plus d power 6. ratio can be written as in form of a fraction. तो आप इसे फ्रैक्शन में लिख लीजिएगा, b power 6 plus d power 6, that is equal to, again we have a cube c cube ratio b cube d cube. Okay, so coming up with the left hand side, left hand side मेरे पास क्या थी, that was in the form of a ratio. तो मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, रेशियो से स्टार्ट लेती हूँ, a power 6 plus c power 6 ratio b power 6 plus d power 6. All right, fine. Now write it in the form of a fraction first. A power 6 plus c power 6 divided by b power 6 plus d power 6. Okay, now put up the values. A we have is bk raised to the power 6 plus c मेरे पास कितना है, इट्स d के रेज टू द पावर 6 डिवाइडेड बाय b पावर 6 प्लस d रेज टू द पावर 6. ओके, अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. पावर्स कैसे सॉल्व होती हैं, 1 बाय 1 दोनों पर. सो वी हैव b रेज टू द पावर 6 k रेज टू द पावर 6 प्लस d रेज टू द पावर 6 k रेज टू द पावर 6 डिवाइडेड बाय b raised to the power 6 plus d raised to the power 6. Okay, now afterwards take k raised to the power 6 common. तो आपके पास क्या रह जाएगा, b power 6 plus d power 6 divided by b power 6 plus d raised to the power 6. They both will be cancelled out and I am left as the answer k raised to the power 6. That is the solution for left hand side. Okay, now I'll move towards the right hand side. In the right hand side I have it's a cube c cube ratio b cube d cube. Alright, so what will happen, write it in the form of fraction, a cube c cube divided by b cube d cube. Okay, put the values from there. a की जगह मैंने क्या यूज करना है, it's b के. c की जगह क्या यूज करना है, d के. And in the denominator we have b cube and d cube. That is equal to, simplify करें, b cube k cube multiplied by d cube k cube divided by b cube and d cube. b cube d cube, they both will be cancelled out. I am left as k cube and k cube. k cube and k cube will make k raised to the power 6. Say the equation number 2. So 1 का आंसर भी k raised to the power 6 है, सेकेंड का आंसर भी k raised to the power 6 है. तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, from 1 and 2 the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Alright, so coming up here with the part number 5, part number 6, part number 7, they all are on the same pattern. Okay, just like okay ji, coming up here with the part number 5. In the part number 5 we have a over b is equal to c over d. The ratio is given to us, so we have a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk. Right, now what I need to calculate, I need to calculate the left hand side, and the left hand side is again written in the form of a ratio. So first of all I am going to do it in form of fraction. So in the fraction it would be p times it's a plus b plus qb divided by p times c plus d plus qd. Okay, put up the values. So p multiplied by a we have is bk plus b divided by, put the value for c, we have p times the c is dk plus d plus qd. Okay, now what I need to do, मैंने क्या करना है, if you are comfortable तो आप इसमें p को inside multiply कर लें, and if you are not तो फिर उसको ऐसे ही रहने दें. I think that we should multiply. So when I'll multiply it तो मेरे पास आ जाएगा p b k plus p b plus q b divided by p d k plus p d plus q d. Okay, from the numerator I'll take p common. Inside I am left as pk plus p plus q. In the denominator when I'll take common, then I'll left as it is D. I'm left as pk plus p plus q. Okay, and then what would be there? Okay, that is they both will be cancelled out, and I am left as the answer, it's B over D. Okay, now let me move towards the right hand side, and the right hand side for the question is it's A ratio C. When I will write it in the form of fraction, it would be A over C. A we have is BK, C we have is DK. So multiply K and K, that is equal to B by D, right? So say it the equation number 1, say it the equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 आपके पास क्या आएगा? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, fine. Moving towards the part number 6, and the part number 6 we have is okay ji, welcome back, and we will start from the question number 6. Question number 1, part number 6 there. In the question what we need to have, we have the a square plus b square ratio, a cube divided by a plus b. So we are going to write it, but ये fraction of a fraction है, so इसलिए I am going to write it in the form of a division. ठीक है, so that any confusion will not remain. Okay, now divide will be multiplied in divide will be converted into multiplication. So a square plus b square multiplied by a plus b divided by a cube. Alright, so we are going to solve this now instead of left hand side, right? Okay, so first of all what we need to calculate, we are going to put the value for a. We have this is bk whole square plus b square multiplied by a is bk plus b divided by a cube. Okay, and the a we have is bk whole cube. Okay, now apply the value. What we have, it's b square k square plus b square multiplied by, take b common, या भी नहीं लेना चाहिए, ले लेते हैं. Inside we have k plus 1 divided by its b cube k cube. Okay, so when you will multiply it, what we are going to have next, right? That is what? It's b square, it's k square plus 1 left over, 1b is there, it's k plus 1 divided by b cube k cube. B into b square makes b cube, they both will be cancelled. So I am left as k square plus 1 multiplied by k plus 1 divided by k cube. That is the equation number 1 that I have. Okay, now coming towards the right hand side there. In the right hand side we have c square plus d square ratio c cube divided by c plus d. Okay, so in the question, first of all, on the same step, same lines, first write it. Okay, first write it in the form of a division like that. It's c square plus d square divided by c cube divided by c plus d. Okay, so c square plus d square multiplied by c plus d divided by c cube. Okay, now see, when you will apply it in on the value c is equal to dk, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा dk का square plus d square multiplied by c is dk plus d divided by c cube, यानी कि dk का whole cube, right? Now solve it. Okay, what we are going to have, ये totally multiply में आप इसको कर ले, because the value will be multiplied. मैं bracket डाल देती हूँ, ठीक है? Okay, Next, take d square common. I am left as k square plus 1. Take d common. I am left as k plus 1 divided by, it means that it's d cube and k cube. Okay. Now d square and d, they both will make d cube cancel. मेरे पास क्या रह गया? That is k square plus 1 multiplied by k plus 1 divided by k का cube. Set the equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side, as both answers are same. Alright, coming up here with the part number 7. Okay ji, coming up here with the part number 7. In the part number 7, again we have the left hand side, that is a over a minus b ratio a plus b divided by b. Okay, first of all what we are going to do, we are going to convert it and write it in the form of a division. So divided by a plus b divided by b. Okay, so when you will convert it in the form of a multiplication, it would be b divided by a plus b. Alright, so when we will solve it, so we can write it like this, that it is ab divided by, you can write it a square minus b square. Okay, this is the simplified form of left hand side. Okay, now putting the values. ठीक है, हम सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं. पुट a is equal to b के एंड बस c तो इसमें है ही नहीं. ओके, तो आपके पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या आ जाएगा? a की जगह पर b के मल्टीप्लाइड बाय b डिवाइडेड बाय it's a square minus b square. So we have b k whole square minus b square, right? So it's b square k divided by, take b square common. They both will be cancelled out and I am left as the answer k over k square minus 1, the solution for the left hand side. Okay, on the same lines we will move towards the right hand side. In the right hand side it is given to us that c over c minus d ratio c plus d divided by d. Okay, so हम start करते हैं. सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्या आएगा? It's c divided by c minus d divided by it's c plus d divided by d. Alright, and c divided by c minus d multiplied by d divided by c plus d, and it can be written as cd over c square minus d square. Now put up the values. So for c we have the substitution, c is equal to dk, that is equal to dk multiplied by d divided by c square minus d square. c की वैल्यू है मेरे पास dk का स्क्वायर माइनस d स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू d स्क्वायर k ओवर d स्क्वायर k स्क्वायर माइनस d स्क्वायर. ओके, d स्क्वायर k ओवर, टेक d स्क्वायर कॉमन, आई एम लेफ्ट एज k स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो इन दोनों को कैंसिल करें. आई एम लेफ्ट एज k ओवर k स्क्वायर माइनस 1. से इट द इक्वेशन नंबर 2. From equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. दोनों का आंसर मेरे पास एक ही जैसा आ रहा है. So we say that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, this method is quite fruitful and quite easy, simple. एक ही substitution है. So the K method we are going to discuss it. I hope that the question number 1 is clear to you. And we will move towards the question number 2, but the video is going to be, I think, that quite large, so I think that we should start another one. All right.